Hello students, this is your English class. Today we are going to solve exercise number 9 from Creative Writing Book 5. So we start our lesson. This is page number 89 from your book. Here is a part. Explain the procedure used in the following situations as clearly as possible to someone who has never used the item before. For example, operating a washing machine. First, you put all your dirty laundry into the washing machine. Next, put 3 scoops of detergent in the special detergent compartment. Cover the lid of the washing machine. Now, press the start button. The washing cycle begins automatically. When it gives a buzz, it signals that your laundry has been washed. Open the lid, remove the clothing. You can now hang your wet clothes out to dry. 1. Operating a microwave oven. First, you put the food that you want to heat up into the microwave oven. Then you close the door of the microwave oven. Next, you press the appropriate buttons at the side of the oven for the length of time needed to heat up the food. 2. Making a call using a mobile phone. First, you press the number of the person that you want to contact. Then you press the call button. After you finish your call, you can press the end call button. This button is usually next to the call button. B. There are many items in life that we take for granted. Try completing the following by explaining the function of each item in no less than 3 words. 1. The book is for gaining new knowledge. 2. The money is for buying food. 3. The school bag is for holding school books. 4. The pen is for writing a letter. 5. The clothes are for covering our bodies. 6. The cup is for drinking hot coffee or tea. 7. The typewriter is for typing important letter. 8. The calendar is for remembering important dates. 9. The hose is for cleaning the toilet. 10. The dictionary is for learning new words. 11. The microwave oven is for heating up food. 12. The peanut butter is for breakfast. 13. The laundry is for the hotel guests. 14. The salad is for lunch. 15. The hair clip is for managing my hair. 16. The meeting room is for meetings with client. 17. The calculator is for mathematical questions. 18. The toenail is for protecting our toes. 19. The earrings are for beautifying my dress. 20. The DVD player is for watching interesting films. C. The kind of weather we experience dictates the activities we plan to do. Below are some decisions made by the characters based on the weather forecast that they have heard on the radio. Write what you think they have heard on the radio to make them decide on what their plans are. For example, this is the weather report for today. Today is sunny with the temperature range between 30 to 32 centigrade. The southern part of the city will be cloudy with no wind. However, it is much cooler than yesterday. Hearing the report, Wilson and Kevin planned to play badminton in the afternoon. 2. This is the weather report for tomorrow. Tomorrow the temperature will be 25 to 30 degrees centigrade. The western parts of the city will be sunny, but northern parts will be windy. The weather will be pleasant. Tomorrow is Saturday, so the twins Jody and Julie ask their parents to take them sailing. 3. This is the weather report for today. The maximum temperature for today is 32 degrees centigrade. It is sunny day, but there will be moderate winds in the northern part of the city. Oh, it is windy and there is no rain today. Let's go to the field to fly our kites after school, suggests Jonathan. 4. This is the weather report for today. Today is a rainy day. Showers with thunder are expected over the entire city in the morning. The temperature will range between 20 to 22 centigrade. Oh, hearing this, the two girls they decide to shelve their plans for roll blading at the park. Instead, they will stay at home and play board games. D. Match the riddles to the correct item object on the right. 1. You toss me, I land on my side, I land on one side, although I have 6. What am I? Dice. 2. It is easy to get into me, but hard to get out of me. What am I? Troubles. 3. You can see me, but you can never catch me. What am I? Smoke. 4. Edible I am not, yet I can be disgusted. What am I? Information. 5. I fly, sometimes really fast, sometimes awfully slow. What am I? Time. 6. Round like a ball, hot like a fire. What am I? The sun. 7. People admire me as a person, yet I am not alive. What am I? Statue. 8. I cover an animal, I hide inside a pillow, I can even be part of a cleaning instrument. What am I? Feathers. 9. I leave with your message and never return. What am I? Letters with stamps. 10. My hands do the walking. What am I? Clock. E. Most products have labels that state clearly the precautions customers must take when they use them. Have you paid any attention to the precautions written on these products? For example, disk cleaning solution, keep away from heat and open flame, keep out of reach of children. 1. Scissors, keep out of reach of children. 2. Medicine, do not take more than the prescribed dose, keep out of reach of children. 3. Electric iron, read the operating instruction carefully before operating the iron. Do not leave the iron unattended when it is on. 4. Toys that have small removable parts unsuitable for children below 3 years old. 5. Cigarettes. Smoking is injurious to health. F. Everyone loves to play games. Some games are more popular than others. Give at least 2 reasons explaining the special features of each game that makes it so special and popular. Cricket. 1. Each player has a desire to score run. 2. 20-20 over matches are getting popular nowadays. 2. Football. 1. The game is exciting as the players cannot touch the ball. 2. They only pass the ball either with their feet or their heads. Charade. 1. Communication among people is usually by speech. 2. It is difficult as participants try to make others understand them. Hide and seek. 1. It is challenging to search for a place that a person can stay hidden. 2. The search for those who are hidden involves looking out for clues. Choose one of the 4 games and explain why it is special to you. You may need to explain and describe how the game is being played so that you can elaborate on why it appeals to you. Write your story in at least 200 words. This game is much popular nowadays. You can see children playing cricket in every street or playground. It is very exciting game. Every player wants to score more runs and the game becomes more excited when a batsman hits 4 or 6. The audience clap and dance in amazement. There are 11 players in each team. Nowadays 20-20 over matches are getting popular because they are short and consume less time. It is worldwide famous game. There are Asian Cup tournament and World Cup tournament held in different countries. People from every corner of the world gather there to see matches. Thanks for listening. For new videos, don't forget to subscribe my channel. And if you like my videos, please share and like.